there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the N sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The N sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word nam, or at the end of the word, like non. Now let's see how to pronounce the N sound. First, let's talk about the air stream. Block the airflow with the tip of your tongue and direct it through the nose. Place the tip of your tongue on the ridge behind your upper front teeth. Open your mouth slightly. Keep your lips relaxed. The last thing you have to remember about the N sound that it is a voice sound. So you have to add voice by vibrating your vocal cords like N, 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 Nam, Non. Now let's practice saying some words with the N sound. I'm going to say the word first, then you will have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. First, the N sound at the beginning of the word. Na, no, nó, nơ, nam, nữ, nếm, nấm, nước, nóng, nặng, nướng, nắng. Now the N sound at the end of word. In, ấn, nón, bán, cắn, chán, bún, chắn, cản, kiến, muốn, chiến, no nê, nóng nực, nâng niu, nồng nàn, nặng nề, nôn nóng. Now let's practice saying a sentence with the N sound. I'm going to say the sentence in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm going to say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Hôm nay, miền Nam, nắng nóng. Now a little bit faster. Hôm nay, miền Nam, nắng nóng. Now with normal speed. Hôm nay miền Nam nắng nóng. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.